got 3/4 inch pipe, PVC, and 3/4 inch CPVC. Now why I don't make it the same, I don't know. You would think 3/4 would be 3/4. Not so. And a bag of fittings. Thank you, Lowe's. For always having this bag of fittings available for all of my plumbing needs. Okay, the coffee is not part of what we're doing today, but I did want to bring it down here because check out the outdoor kitchen. All right, so wanted to make sure that I had coffee here whenever people, oh, too fast, whenever people go camping or whatever. So first things first, I found this. It's just an old spout. Here comes my dog. He's gonna probably jump up here and say hi to y'all because it's Grundy. That's what he does. Want to say hi to the camera? I thought so. Look, right there. Anyway. So I am gonna put this in the bathtub. Right there is my bathroom, and it runs off of a water pump connected to rainwater. So I'm making it so you will turn this and the water will come on. That's the game plan. So I'll show you guys that. What I'm doing is basically I'm connecting the plumbing here, and then through a series of elbows it's going to come outside. The shutoff is going to be sitting outside of the shower wall, and then go back in and then connect to the hose. I'll show you guys as I'm doing that. But for now, let me try to dry fit all this together and I'll show you. Alright, so there's this plumber dude that I watch on TikTok. I'll try to tag him in this video, but he's actually pretty good, so I've learned a lot of. He's from like Boston or something, so that's kind of annoying, but he's actually pretty good. And he kind of shows you why you do some of the plumbing stuff and like new construction and stuff. So this isn't new construction, but whatever. Okay, went and got the last part. This is what it looks like. So the water supply will connect here. The hose come in, you can shut it off or on right here, right? Comes down and then comes out the spout in the tub like so. All right, like this. So this spout will go through there, right? And this part will be behind the wall, and then it'll come out of this hole right there. The shut off will go there, and then it'll go back in that hole. So it'll look like that, but this will be on the outside.